Hello friends, today's video I am going to show you how to change name on Telegram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open Telegram and click on top left 3 lines. After that you have to click on settings. Now here you have to tap on top right 3 dots. Now here you have to again click on edit name. Now here you'll have to add your correct name. After adding name, tap on top right save icon. Now here you can see name has been changed. Thanks for watching this video.